YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Ollie, the better half of Speedy. You know the vibes. I'm back at it again with another lacing tutorial. Today I have the Lebron 7 Media Days. I've been trying to cop these for a minute. I'm a big Nike basketball fan, as you can see. By the way, R.I.P. Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest basketball players to ever live, and his daughter Gianna as well. And today I'm gonna be giving you a lacing tutorial on these bad boys right here. I really like these, man. These are really dope. And this is what the finished product is gonna look like. It's gonna look like the right pair right here, or the right side. Yeah, these are like fraternal twins. You know what I'm saying? Like Izzy and Josiah. Like I said, this is what the finished product is gonna look like, and I'm gonna do the left side for you today. So the factory lace. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take them all the way out, just like so. I really like these ribbon laces too. They're really nice. You know, the LeBron 7 is also one of my favorite LeBron silhouettes. I had the 2009 Chinas until they fell apart on me. I was aggy. I still gotta go back and get the 2020 retro. Okay, finally we have all the laces out. You don't have to take this the last part out. Just get there. So what we're gonna do now, as we always do, we're gonna pull it and make sure that the lace tips are equal. You know, you don't want one side longer than the other. Be out here looking brazy. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Right, I'm tying it up now. All right, cool. They're equal. Like I always say, we're going right over left, and we're gonna go outside in like we always do. Outside in. It just gives the sneaker a better look. This is how I do it. You can do it how you like to, but alright guys, we're going outside in now. It's a really nice purple too. I believe it's called purple. Don't quote me on that though. Right, outside in, the other side. They come together really nice. Like I can see just from doing it now, they're gonna look immaculate. They're gonna look copacetic. You feel me, iron? Yeah. Cool. Stretch out your sneaker a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Don't choke your shoes, baby. Don't do that. Alright, cool. We're doing the other side now. Like I said, don't pull your laces too tight, you know, leave a little slack right there. Make sure your laces are equal. Again, we're going right over left, and we're going outside in. Outside in. That's how we're doing it. Yeah. Nice and slow. Pow. Again, outside in. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Right over left, outside in again. We're almost getting to the top now. Now right over left. Now this part is gonna get a little tricky. Here we have like this V-shaped thingy here. I'm gonna show you guys what to do there. You know, we have it on both sides. On the other side it's yellow. You guys see it there. It's really nice. I really like it. So what we're gonna do, same thing. We're gonna cross, right, and we're gonna go in, straight up, right, just like that, straight up. Now we're gonna leave it a little loose. We're gonna go straight up to the other side, right? We're gonna leave it a little loose. Then after that, we're gonna cross over again, right? Tying it up a little bit, and then we're gonna put it back through the, now we're gonna put it through the top piece. We only put it through the bottom piece the first time. Now we're gonna put it through the top piece. Right? Bring it through, ooh, this is kind of tight, you know? That's what she said. Cool, we got that part. Put it to the top piece on the other side now. Bow. And then we're gonna try to make sure that all the laces are even. So we're just gonna finger it like so, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. But I'm gonna take the stuffing out real quick so it can be easier. Just finger it like that, make sure everything's equal. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, you can do this if you like, but I don't like that look. You know what I'm saying? Looks like I got horn. I'm gonna tuck it. We're gonna put it through this last lace hole right here. Okay. What we're gonna do, we have it here. We're just gonna fold it back and put it through. All right, cool. Bow. Do the same thing to the other side. Cool. After you see, I don't like my laces to hang too long. It's not a look that I usually go for. I just like to angle it out. You know what I'm saying? So then after that, we're gonna fix them. We're just gonna go over it. You know, I'm somewhat of a perfectionist when it comes to this lace and stuff. So we're gonna go over it. Make sure that all your laces are facing the same side. One side is not overturned. One side is not looking the other way. You know? And yeah, we're looking very good right now. Just like I'm gonna pull it. Like I said. Alright, cool. Keep going like that. We're gonna fluff them up. And this is just how I like to do my laces, man. And no matter what happens, you'll never have to lace these again because they're locked in. They're not going anywhere. So whenever you want to throw these on, because this is not something you're gonna wear every day. I mean, unless you're like a diehard Laker fan. I don't know, unless they're your favorite sneakers ever. But whenever you want to throw them on, all you gotta do is put them on like this. Slip on. You don't ever have to take the laces out. You don't have to redo the laces. None of that. It's none of that. Legit. Air voice. Yeah, there we go. Lebron 7, immediate day, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you want more lacing tutorials or what kind of shoes you like. I have a couple in my repertoire, and yeah, I'll be glad to do those for you. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you soon.